There's no getting around it. The weather is getting worse. It's getting more volatile in pretty much every form of fashion. You really need to understand two things. You need to understand what weather is the home likely to be exposed to, and how is the home going to respond when exposed to that weather. And so CAPE is really useful for understanding how resilient is this home going to be. At Kin, our approach is a little bit different. We think it's very unreliable to trust a user or an agent to tell us about their own home, and we only rely on impartial data. And so we use CAPE to tell us things about the roof that predict whether or not the roof will be damaged when exposed to high wind speeds. And the way that they're driving that data is they're ingesting an image, usually taken by aerial, and they're using image recognition algorithms and machine learning to tell you things about the roof, like the shape, the material, the condition, etc. If you take their quality score, the roofs that are lower quality do have more claims. That's really useful for us when we're making pricing decisions or underwriting decisions. For us, it's really important to work with vendors who are philosophically aligned with us. CAPE team's great. They're really responsive. They're passionate about what they're doing. We've worked with them for a long time. And a lot of the times we actually have a hard time working with some of the legacy data vendors because they're not as tech savvy. They don't exactly speak the same language. They don't move as fast. You can mention to them something that's not quite right about their data, nothing happens. If you mention something that's not quite right about the data to CAPE, they'll actually act on it. They'll be like, oh, thanks for the feedback. We're working on that. We're fixing it. And that's just how we roll too, is sort of continuous improvement. And we really like that.